Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're so excited because today or tomorrow, whenever this video is posted, is Sydney's 9th birthday. So this is her birthday hairstyle. And of course, Sydney does not like to get her hair done. So I try to do something quick or something that I didn't have to take these twists down. So I am saturating her hair with water. Yes, that is the bottle from Pattern Beauty. It's like an everyday refresher to your hair, but it's only a little bit in it, and I added water to it as well. So I'm going to just take the pre-existing twists and sections in her hair, and I'm going to add a little Eco Styler gel, and I did add coconut oil, some oil to her hair, and then I'm going to add the Eco Styler gel. And then with every section, I am going to put a rubber band in her hair. And as you can see, it's the elastic rubber bands. These don't last for a long time. So I like using them because, as you know, they do not cause breakage. So I'm going to go ahead and do the entire row with the elastic rubber bands. And some people might even dip the rubber bands in oil. It really doesn't matter as long as you have something in your hair, some type of oil, or you can dip them, whatever you want to do, but as long as you use some type of oil, that's fine. I'm going to do the entire section here, and then now I'm going to take the crochet needle and I am going to crochet this 20-inch bohemian hair from Shake and Go. I'm going to crochet it in, latch it, close it, pull it through, and right here you see that it's half and half. So it's really going to be like 10 inches, but once I ravel it around, because I'm going to wrap it like a lock, and I'm just going to lock it, twist, flick the wrist. You all know that is the key to getting faux locks. And once I do that, you can see the hair looks like it's actually passion twists. And I'm going to take the end of the lock that is not opened, because you know once you split it in half, there's a side that's open and a side that's free. So I'm just going to twist and knot it at the end a couple of times. And then actually, as you do that, you knot it a couple times. It depends on how loose or how tight it is. You pull it down to cover the hair. And I'm going to do it again so you can see. So I'm going to take the crochet needle, I'm going to latch the hair, and then I'm going to pull both through so it's still half and not just one. It looks like it's four, two on each side, but it's one. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to kind of make it uneven, because you want the end that hangs lower, the free end to hang lower, to have that wave to it at the end. And then right there, the part that's closed, you take it and you ravel it. And then you do that a couple times. And what I notice, if it's a lot left and it's very, very loose, you can just wrap it around as a lock until it gets tighter, and then loop it around. Tie it around, however you want to say it. Just loop it, tie it, and then pull it down so the hair can be covered. So I'm going to let you guys watch, and I will get back to you. This hairstyle is super easy. I'm glad that I stumbled upon this because it wasn't planned. The fact that it came out as passion twist at the end was surprising, and it was just like a gift that fell into my lap. And I probably will do these all the time now. I'll probably do it in my hair, and I love the fact that they are individual crochets. They're not like the latch ones that I did in my last video. But yeah, and I also want to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? And if you are new, welcome. And to my loyal subscribers, welcome back. Okay, so I finished up and I left a couple loose so I can show you how I really improved. And I just made this up as I went along, and it looked like it's really coming from the scalp, and I left 2 so I can show you guys how I really mastered it, I would say. Okay, so I have 2 left, 3, which I thought was 2. Here's the rest of her hair, and don't you worry because I am going to cut it. But I'm going to take the hair, latch it, pull it through, and as you can see, I'm really going to make the hair uneven. Pull it, then wrap around like you're doing a lock. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And the end that is closed, you're going to just loop it through the loose end of the hair. And this style is so cute. It's so easy to do. I even had the glue out, the hair glue out, because I was just going to use it at the ends, just because I thought this wouldn't work out and I needed a way to close it. But I didn't even need to use it because I found a way to close it and it stays. So this is super easy. Anybody can do this. And I think this is the perfect hairstyle for Sydney's 9th birthday. We are so excited. She's excited. She's like, Mom, I have 1 day until my birthday. Can you believe that I'm 9? And I was like, oh, my baby, 9. So in the comments, if you want to leave a birthday shout out, say happy birthday to Sid, go ahead and say it. We appreciate it. And I know I appreciate it, and I know she'll appreciate it. Put it through and voila. So now the hair got kind of frizzy, so I'm going to apply a setting lotion to reduce the frizz, and it really did. This hair is so nice. This is not a sponsored video. I had this hair in my closet. I have tons of hair in my closet, and I was like, let me start using what's in my closet, you know, instead of going to the hair store or buying more, or, you know, waiting for companies to send. I'm going to use what I have, you know. So I'm spraying that got to be glue, spraying her hair just to have it just to give it a little hold. Now I love when Sydney's hair is short. That's the best hairstyle. I think it fits her face. Anything short, like a short bob. Like back in the day, if you guys are loyal to my channel, you know Sydney, I used to put those yarn braids in her hair, and then she would have like 1 or 2 pink yarn braids with all black, and it was a bobbed out and then it grew out. And her hair is so thick that I forgot one. Sydney's hair is super thick, which is a gift. I'm going to say it's a gift, and then it's a challenge. Not a gift and a curse, but a gift and a challenge. But I love thick hair. She's going to love that she has thick hair. Right here, you see that I'm going to start wrapping the hair around the end that I'm going to loop right there to the loose end. And then I am just going to pull, because when you loop it, it kind of bunches up and you just pull it down, you know. But now I'm going to make this even. It was kind of lopsided when I looked at the video as I'm doing this, so I went back and I cut it even. So always take a second look at your work. Don't rush. Even though Sydney, we try to do hairstyles that are quick, or I skip a wash day, I don't care, but this is the before, this is the after. Give Sydney a shout out, wish her a happy birthday. We thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.